Guys, I wanted to show you this pure vanilla essential oil that the company sent me to try out. First, I just want to show you how big it is. You get a ton in this, which I love because then you don't have to worry about, like being sparing with it. You can use it however you like. It also does come with this glass dropper that you can measure, as well as this glass travel dropper, which is really cool and different. I think that's really pretty. And I love that the amber color of the glass, and then it does have this dropper. So this all comes together. This is really nice for different uses. You can use it however, but personally, I want to use this for making like Play-Doh with my daughter, as well as adding it to like a diffuser, or maybe I'd love to try to make some candles and soap, and this is perfect for that. The smell, it doesn't smell like vanilla baking, and I love the way that vanilla baking smells. This smells like a vanilla that you would smell in a perfume. So it's definitely like that type of elevated, like I would wear this type of smell, or definitely like if you're gonna mix it with something else for making your own type of perfumes, or in a candle or a soap, like I was saying before, this is the vanilla I would reach for, not necessarily the scent that you have when you're baking. So I love the smell. It does smell like, pure vanilla, like the bean would, the best way to describe it is like if you pick up a perfume that you love, and like a natural smelling perfume, not necessarily like a chemical smelling one, but like a very natural smelling perfume, and you pick it up and you're like, oh, I smell vanilla in there. That's what this is. So really happy with this. Again, the quantity is excellent. It is made in the United States, which I like. It is tested by a dermatologist, which I also am really happy with, and just very happy with this brand and this product.